Kazakhstan should review its import policy. According to the Mazhilis member Amanjan Jamalov, this would be an effective tool in order to fight inflation. He believes that the country needs to make full use of its geographical advantage by developing cooperation and boosting mutual supplies with neighboring countries. At the same time, it is important to address the issues of food import dependency. To date, this figure hit $4 billion.
Необходимо пересмотреть политику импортных поставок.
It is necessary to revise the import policy. We should constantly look for new profitable options for imports within the Eurasian Economic Union and Central Asia. It is necessary to make full use of the geographical advantage of Kazakhstan, building on the achievements of our president's diplomatic initiatives and his international authority. Most recently, the heads of Central Asian states have attended a summit in Astana. This region has great potential for the development of cooperation and mutual supply. Perhaps we should completely reboot the economic collaboration and move to the regional division of labor with our neighbors in selected industries.
Разделение труда в отдельных отраслях.